This treatment of the experiment is a simple pitting treatment. So trees were planted here in small pits without the addition of fertilizer. It thus gives us a very good idea to look at the soil in its pristine state. So let's dive right in. We start from the top here. We see that we have a dark grayish color A horizon. Some parts of the A horizon, like that spot over there, is darkened by organic matter. There's a fair amount of root penetration in this area, as we can see here. And so this A horizon has a silty loam texture. But if we go just a little bit into the A horizon, we see some mottling, some evidence of mottling. What do we mean by this mottling? It is an area where we have a greenish hue as the matrix color and orange spots in amongst that greenish matrix. So the greenish matrix will tell us that there's waterlogging. The orange spots will tell us that there's periodic oxidation conditions or oxidized conditions. So such a situation with mottling always means that there's a fluctuating water table. During the oxidizing periods, the orange colors will form. During the waterlogged periods, the green colors will form. And if we try to find out what is the reason for this, we have to look a little bit further down. And here in the lower part of the B horizon, we see almost uniform greenish hues with less and less oxidation spots. This clay texture down below is very difficult for water to infiltrate into. And so what happens, if we go back to the top, the water will infiltrate into the A horizon, sit here in a perched way, fluctuate up and down depending on how much can move into the more clayey material at the bottom. And in the deeper part of the horizon, it will be almost permanently waterlogged. Okay, so if we put all together that we've seen now, we see an A horizon over here grading into an E horizon where the mottling areas occur, and grading into a matrix that is more uniformly greenish in color at the bottom, with still some mottling. So it will be an A horizon over an E over a G horizon, and we classify that as a Kroonstad soil form in South Africa. In the FAO system, it will be an ocric planar soil. So typical of soils which has a reasonable infiltration in the top, but waterlogging conditions down in the lower B horizon.